Hello, my name is Chris Muflad and I'm a project engineer at Eco Software. Welcome to the Production Controlling Video Training Series Level 1. We're going to introduce the baseline, current, progress, and forecast concepts. In this vignette, we'll discuss what is the baseline, current, progress, and forecast, and why these are important during production controlling. The principles of production control are quite straightforward. The location-based control system maintains 4 stages of information: the baseline, current, progress, and forecast. If the location-based control model is used correctly, management will be able to be proactive in resolving problems earlier with better control actions as they understand the requirements to complete the work. The overall planned production rates and start and finish dates of trade packages should be reliable because they are used in the procurement process. The task of production management is therefore to find solutions to production deviations. A location-based model provides a lot of information in a plan that is available in an activity-based model. This includes the flow of resources, the quantities by location, the production logic based on information gathered at the last planner stage, and the location-based model, which explicitly recognizes the experience in one location, is reflected in the following. The location-based planning model needs a compatible location-based control model in order to fully utilize and update its rich information base during the production phase. This requires an extra loop in the double loop learning model, which enables forecasting progress and then forming detailed plans in the form of look-ahead plans. The plan should only move through to execution when forecasts are acceptable for production. The first principle of production control is baseline planning. Baseline planning is the founding set of project data. The baseline should not be changed unless a new one is established, and this should only be when a major resequence or a significant design change would alter the schedule. Production will ultimately be held accountable to that original baseline plan. The next principle of production control is current schedule planning. This reflects information that was not available during the initial planning stage. The plan includes more detailed planning data from project participants like engineers, architects, subcontractors, and direct labor foremen. New information regarding resource availability, prerequisites of production, quantity changes, and logic changes will be made available and can be included in the current schedule plan. Ultimately, these detailed tasks will drive the scheduling of working in the current plan. The third principle of production control is construction progress reporting. Progress reporting monitors the actual time performance of the project and therefore tracks data in detail. Progress of production is measured by recording actual start and finish data or completion rates in each activity location. This information will be used to track against the plan and trend future behavior. Last but not least in the principles of production control is the forecasting stage. This represents the current and progress information which can be used to calculate a schedule forecast. Production trending is assumed to continue based on the actual production rate achieved rather than the plan. Using the planned logic network, we can now evaluate the impact of deviations on the following trades. In this vignette, you've been given an introduction to the production controlling principles. You've developed a familiarization with the concepts and the function of production control. And we've given you an overview of how the production forecast interrelates with the baseline and current data.